Okay, this is going to be another pack opening video, and this one's going to be pretty quick. I just want to open some packs now, and then I'll go and check the Okay, I guess I don't have all the Ikoria rares, but then I'll go and check the AFR collection to see how I'm going with the rares and mythics. I don't have a ton of packs here saved up, but the new set is out now, so I'm just going to be focusing on playing the new set really, which is Innistrad Midnight Hunt. What is this? Kaladesh, okay. Don't know why I have these Kaladesh boosters. I think it's because I played a draft. And yeah, I haven't been playing much Historic, so I don't really need these cards. But it's nice to get a mythic wild card there. Got all the Kaldheim rares. So more gems. More gems is good. One of the reasons why I'm opening these now is for the gems. Because there's a new set out. I might even just buy the Mastery Pass after this. Oops. Okay. I will open most of these 10 at a time. Ooh, okay. Pretty sure I don't have any of those. Yeah, it says first, okay. I'm not going to read what that does. I'm sure it's pretty good. Would have been nice to open that in a draft. Okay. I think there was one mythic there. Yeah, I don't think I'm that close to completing my AFR collection. I guess I didn't draft it that much. Wasn't my favorite set to draft, but it's still fun. It was still a fun draft set. Only 2 packs left. That was my first of that card. I don't even know what it was. More rogue classes. I just got, there might be 3 rogue classes now. Not that you can really use them. I actually made a deck in Constructed that used them, which is pretty fun. Now I'll go to my collection. Is it index? Collection. Look at all this new stuff. All right. Looking for AFR. I'll go for the rares first. Okay. Is this yeah, okay. Still a ways away from that. And I'm guessing the mythic's probably going to be even further away. But yeah, there's a lot of cards that I'm missing here. If I need to play decks that have these, I can just craft them, I guess. But now I'm just going to finish by getting this Mastery Pass. And there we go. Probably not going to apply either of those. And also I haven't played, so I don't not going to unlock any of these yet. But yeah, that's that was it for another pack opening. I probably should have just ended on looking at the collection. But anyway, I wanted this video to be short, so I'm going to end it now. And yeah, I actually have a couple of yeah, anyway, just got that in the renewal thing. That's it. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. For another pack opening. So thanks for watching. Bye.